Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of 10 passive income ideas for interior designers. So let's see, if you are an interior designer, then this is for you. Let's see how it goes. Digital products to earn passive income for interior designers. So digital products, right? So earn passive income online. Okay. So do you know how modern technology can provide different channels of passive incomes for interior designers? Interior designing one project at a time is time consuming. So in recent times, savvy design professionals have developed extra income streams. You have come to the right place if you are looking for hot interior decorating revenue streams that can bring in plenty of dollars. Digital product ideas for interior designers are a great passive revenue source. You don't have to travel places to earn more. Passive revenue sources generate more money with less effort than comprehensive one-on-one projects. You can create secondary sources of income with the help of your team or with the help of an expert. Before you dive in, consider uh, which income streams are most appealing to you and fit in with your current interior decorating practice. Then, before plunging in further, you choose just one or to focus on. Setup and build on. Trying to do much more will lead to failure rather than success. Then 10 more ways for an interior designers to earn passive income. Number one is digital interior design. Digital interior design entails providing your design expertise online. The advantage of having to meet a client in person or seeing the space they want to design is not present. Indeed, the client sends you photos, measurements, and other information. So how will you go about it? Focus on providing various levels of design services. Charges for this type of work range from under $100 per room to $5,000 or more. To make this work, you must first ascertain your target audience. While that may be the same as your local market, over a longer distance, it is those people who cannot afford your highest quality of in-person service. You will also draw do-it-yourself enthusiasts looking for expert advice, suggestion plans, and a shopping list. Create a strict process and particular deliverables to save time and maximize impact and revenue. You want to make these as quickly as possible to get glowing reviews. Number two is product licensing. For interior design products, have you ever designed tailored furnishings, floor coverings, decorations, mirrors, or other design features for one client and had other clients clamor for the very same items? Licensing will expose your creative talent to a wider audience. Hiring a licensing agent and exploring your options is the best way to get started with one of these types of passive income for interior designers. It may feel like you are establishing a new business again rather than just a new channel. You will need to create design libraries, brand a look, and more. Your licensing agent will point you in the direction of the leading manufacturer. Marketing will be a collaborative effort between you, your licensing officer, and your partner. After all, they rely on your brand's effectiveness, influence, and image to increase sales. Number three, interior design e-commerce. When it comes to e-commerce, you are usually not producing your goods, but rather reselling them. Home products or unique suppliers may supply the product, or you could find one of a kind pieces on trips at auction houses, flea markets, or antique shows and have them refinished. Setting up an e-commerce site can be time consuming and expensive. It's also not as basic as you built it, and buyers will come your way. Instead, you must market your online marketplace and tactfully promote it to drive traffic. Social media is an important tool that can come to your advantage. It's number four, brand promotion through blogging. Becoming a brand ambassador for a company that you admire should be a long-term blogging goal for you. Doing the job of an ambassador is the best way to demonstrate your blog abilities to a brand. Most brand ambassadors dream of getting paid by their favorite brands through their promotional skills. This does not imply simply writing blog posts about the brand. You can also highlight their products, join their affiliate marketing program, drive traffic and leads, and track how many people buy through your efforts. All right, so all of this information on this website. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye, take care.